Let's start with a quick grammar question. In this sentence, she has a blue bag. Which word is the adjective? The answer is blue. Why? Because blue describes the bag. Now, imagine learning English grammar like this, step by step, from simple ideas to advanced topics. That is why I created the complete English grammar book. It starts with A1 Basics and goes all the way to C1 Academic English. You get clear lessons, simple examples, practice exercises, and answer keys. Let's try one advanced example. Which sentence sounds more academic? A. This proves the method is useful. B. This suggests the method is useful. The better answer is B. In academic writing, suggests sounds more careful than proves. Inside the book, you will find beginner lessons and advanced grammar topics, like academic hedging, formal writing, and clear expression. Each lesson includes visual explanations, examples, key points, and simple explanations. You also get practice sections and answer keys, so you can study by yourself. You can study one lesson a day and build your grammar slowly and clearly. The full PDF and EPUB book is available from the download link below.